If you're considering buying Faithlife Equip for your church management needs, there are a few key things you need to know before making that decision. While it offers a variety of features, it's important to weigh those against other software options to ensure it's the right fit for your church. Let's dive into the 12 things you should consider before purchasing Faithlife Equip. First thing to know is that Faithlife Equip is designed specifically for churches, providing a comprehensive suite of tools like event scheduling, volunteer management, and online giving. But is it the best choice? Some competitors, like Planning Center or Breeze, also offer similar features, but with different pricing models and user interfaces. It's essential to see how these features align with your church's needs. Next thing to consider is pricing. Faithlife Equip offers various tiers based on your church size and needs, but it may come with additional costs for add-ons. Compare this to Planning Center, which charges for specific modules, but provides a more modular pricing structure, allowing you to only pay for what you need. It's important to figure out what features are most essential to your church and whether you're willing to pay extra for them. The third thing you need to know is its integration capabilities. Faithlife Equip integrates well with other Faithlife products, which is a plus if you're already using their other tools. However, if you're using different software or planning to, integration might be a bit trickier, as some competitors like ChurchTrack offer more flexible integrations with third-party apps. Now let's talk about user experience. Faithlife Equip has a clean, modern interface, but it can feel overwhelming to new users. If you're used to more intuitive software like Breeze or Planning Center, you might find Faithlife Equip's layout a bit clunky at first. Training your staff or volunteers might take more time than you'd expect. The fifth thing to know is the mobile app experience. Faithlife Equip's mobile app is functional, but might not be as user-friendly as Planning Center's app, which many church staff find to be more intuitive and responsive. If you rely on your mobile device for managing church operations, this might be an important factor to consider. Next thing is communication tools. Faithlife Equip offers messaging and group communication features, but these can be a bit limited compared to what's available in church teams, which specializes in communication with robust email and text marketing tools. If communication is a major part of your church's strategy, it's worth evaluating which software provides the most streamlined experience. The seventh thing to note is volunteer management. Faithlife Equip offers volunteer scheduling, but if you're looking for more detailed tracking and organization, alternatives like Planning Center might serve you better with its dedicated volunteer management tool. The eighth point is online giving features. Faithlife Equip allows you to set up online giving, but it charges a processing fee. Competitors like Tithe.li or EasyTithe offer similar features with more customizable options and lower fees. You'll need to weigh these costs if online giving is a key part of your fundraising. Next up is customer support. Faithlife Equip provides customer service through email and phone support, but some users report slower response times compared to services like Breeze, which offers more responsive customer service through live chat and other channels. Now let's talk about reporting. Faithlife Equip provides a variety of reports, but some users feel it lacks the depth and customization offered by other platforms like ChurchTrack. If detailed reporting and data analysis are critical for your church, you may want to explore alternatives. The 10th thing to keep in mind is scalability. Faithlife Equip works well for small to mid-sized churches, but may not scale as easily for larger churches with complex needs. For larger churches, platforms like Planning Center or church teams offer more robust systems that can grow with your organization. 11th thing to know is data security. Faithlife Equip takes security seriously, but you'll want to ensure it meets your church's specific needs, especially if you handle sensitive data. Some competitors may offer more customizable security options based on your church's specific requirements. Finally, Faithlife Equip is a solid choice for churches looking for an all-in-one solution. However, it may not be the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for something more flexible, user-friendly, or cost-effective, we recommend trying a different option. Faithlife